In case you're having problem with picture quality or settings on your Hisense Android TV or any connected HDMI device, then simply restoring the display settings should fix all of them. So let me show you how to reset picture settings on your Hisense Android TV in less than a minute. To reset your Hisense TV's picture settings, from the home screen, go up, then right, and select the settings option. Then go down to Device Preferences, select Picture, and now you'll need to scroll all the way down and press OK on Reset to Default. Now confirm it by selecting Yes, and all the settings of the picture mode will be reset to default. Now you can check the difference by playing a video. But note that this will not reset the picture settings of your HDMI device. To do that, you'll need to go to the Input option, then select your input. Now you need to press the Settings button on your TV remote, which will open the bottom panel. Now we will go all the way to the right and select Settings. From here, you'll need to do the same thing. Go to Device Preference, then Picture, scroll down and hit Reset to Default. Press Yes, and you'll notice the changes immediately. So this is how simply you can reset your Hisense Android TV's picture settings to default.